A ceasefire is signed. The headlines say the world is stabilizing. But did you check the price of gas on your way in this morning? It's still up, isn't it? And many people believe that when conflicts end, oil prices automatically crash back to earth. But the reality is, we've just entered the $90 trap. Today, we're going to expose why oil prices are intentionally kept from falling and why warnings from figures like Trump about bombs again and new conflicts have a much deeper economic meaning for your wallet than you think.
Old logic said peace equals cheap oil, but in 2026, the logic has flipped. Why? Because while conflicts were active, the world de-risked. We built new, safer supply, lines that are far more expensive. A ceasefire doesn't automatically erase the risk premium or uncertainty tax that's already baked into the market price. Wall Street speculators aren't betting on when the current war ends anymore. They're betting on when the next one begins. That's why the price is stuck at $90.
The second reason is total control. OPEC Plus learned a brutal lesson in 2020. They would rather sell one barrel for $90 than sell 2 barrels for $45. This isn't tactical or reconjust about lost supply. It's about supply that is held hostage to guarantee the profitability of producer nations. Plus, our investment in old oil infrastructure has been minimal because everyone is focused on green energy. The result? We have the oil, but we don't have enough pipelines and refineries to process it cheaply. This is a planned bottleneck. Then there's the political factor. Warnings about bombs again or threats of new attacks aren't just rhetoric. They are signals to the market that stability is fragile. Every time there is tension in the Strait of Hormuz or the Black Sea, oil prices jump. World leaders are now using energy as a diplomatic weapon. If they want to pressure an adversary, they don't need a physical bomb, just a price bomb that causes inflation in the target country to explode. Oil isn't a commodity anymore. It's a bullet in a new economic war. So, are we ever going to see cheap bensin again? In the short term, my skeptically tells me no. We are paying the price for a world that is safer but far more fragmented. Your best strategy isn't to wait for prices to fall, but to adjust to this new era of expensive energy. Invest your time in understanding efficiency, not just complaining at the pump. What do you think? Is this a conspiracy or pure economics? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to stay objective in the chaos of data. See you in the next one.